I'm Emily Applegarth, and I'm the CRO and co-founder of Gamify, and we're here at SolarCon right now, and we're just having a great time.
Super high energy. I mean, I think people get the need for gamification in their systems. The last guy we were chatting with immediately was like, okay, I have this struggle with Gen Z. Like, I have this struggle with young kids. They want things to be fun. So how do I make things fun? We're like, well, that's what we do. Gamify helps solve and mitigate that problem.
We've been signing deals left and right, if that tells you anything about it. Pretty much everyone's just like, hey, where have you been? I've been needing this solution for freaking ever, right? And so we're coming in and we're solving their problems immediately.
You know, I'm here at the Gamify booth because they fill a lot of holes that we thought we had or that we know we have. Gamification is really a way that a lot of us motivate ourselves, right? We do a reward system. We gamify most things in life. And inside of sales, a lot of talented salespeople are driven by competition. And so gamification allows that competition to really live within your organization. And so for us, because we launched a new platform and we're trying to onboard as many sales reps as we can, we thought that gamifying it would really help them utilize our platform and get excited about it as we are. I come from an outside perspective. I did growth consulting for years with startups and Fortune 100 companies. And as I said to the founder or co-founder, I haven't been this excited about a product in a long time. Like, what Gamify is doing is super, super cool. And it's really going to be at the forefront of helping solar grow in general, but it's super exciting.
They know if they put just a little bit of money in, that they're going to get a huge return on investment. Solar is like the best industry to be in. If you're a sales rep and you want to make a lot of money, you should work in solar, absolutely.